The roundtable, held at Bexco, brought together senior representatives from India's Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, the Busan Film Commission, and leading filmmakers from both the countries. India is participating with its strongest ever contingent, led by Minister of State Dr. L. Murugan, along with senior officials and creators from the Waves Bazaar initiative. India made a special presentation at the roundtable, highlighting its strong push for international co productions. From single window clearances to subsidies of up to 40% for foreign filmmakers, India is opening its doors wider than ever.
India deeply values such platforms that enable dialogues and cooperation in the creative sector. This festival hope that our country resolves to expand co-production, create new opportunities in the AVGC sector, animation, visual effects, gaming and comics sector, and strengthen cultural bonds with South Korea.
The discussions focused on expanding co productions, sharing creative expertise, and exploring incentives for international filmmakers to shoot in India. Industry leaders highlighted the potential of combining Korea's technical excellence with India's diverse storytelling.
I think this kind of conversation is really timely because as a producer, thinking about quality improvement and reducing the cost, and this is about developing new market for us. So in this era of global streamers, all the changings and everything that happens, I think as a producer, I think I could take a lot of good benefits out of this whole conversation. I'm really looking forward to that.
Well, actually, I just recently repped a Indo-Korea project that will be released on the Netflix Korea, US, and India. And then the cultural similarities were stunning. I was in Chennai filming for 3 weeks, and then so many similar stories, so many similar aspects from our cultures. The future for the Indo-Korea collaboration is quite bright, and then a lot of producers seem to be interested in Korea to pursue such stories.
This dialogue gave a platform to bring Indian stories to a global audience and work closely with Korean filmmakers.
After this discussion initiated by Government of India and the Korean Embassy, I am very hopeful, and I hope that it will bring some possibilities to the new filmmakers also, individual filmmakers also.
At the roundtable, India showcased a major policy push for international co-productions. With this much-needed government support, India is positioning itself as one of the world's most attractive filmmaking destinations.
Today's roundtable between the Busan Film Commission and India marked yet another step in strengthening cinema ties, with India showcasing its strongest ever contingent in BIF and new opportunities in co-production. The dialogue has paved way for deeper creative collaboration. This is Jaya Sinha for DD India in Busan with camera person N.A. Shivakumar.
Indian film director Suruchi Sharma also shared her experience at the Busan International Film Festival.
I'm joined by Suruchi. Suruchi, welcome to DD India. Can you just talk about how we are having this Bharat Pavilion here, and to talk about you being part of this film festival. So tell us about India's participation and experience here at the Bharat Pavilion.
We all filmmakers from India are thrilled to be here at Busan, Asia Cinema Film Pavilion here, Bharat Pavilion here, because definitely to be here representing our country, getting our films here to be viewed and discussed by international delegates, it's quite a privilege, and we get to share our work, our journeys with the world here when we are here at the Bharat Pavilion. Thankfully, it is being facilitated by the team of NFDC and the entire team at Bharat Pavilion, so that's really helpful for us, because then the entire all the delegates are especially welcomed here for meetings, and we can get to have those conversations with them one-to-one. So it's quite helpful and quite a thrilling experience for all of us.
It's the strongest ever lineup by India here at the Busan Film Festival. Right. Your film also being there in the various segments. Tell us about that also.
Right. I'm here with my film Gagan Gaman, just to show, this is a little poster of my film Gagan Gaman. It's a Rajasthani folk fantasy, and it is being screened at the online section at the ACFM screening portal. And there are, of of course, a lot of other filmmakers who've come with their films in the film festival. Vikas Mishra with his film Bayan, Tribeni with his Shape of Momo. So very exciting time for India to be, welcomed by the world in their independent film section.
Okay, thank you for joining us in India.
you.
So definitely, stories from real India are making their presence felt here at Busan International Film Festival. Back to you, studio.
All right, so let's now connect with Jaya Sinha joining us from Busan. Jaya, tell us a bit more about the Bharat Pavilion and also throw some light on its significance.
Yes, definitely. You asked about Bharat Pavilion. So let me take you to Bharat Pavilion, okay? So right now we are at the Asia Contents Film Market, and here is Bharat Pavilion. You can see the Little India, Chota Laghu Bharat here at Busan Asian Film Market, and our film Bharat Pavilion is themed India Creative Economy for the World, and it's more than just a display. It's a hub where filmmakers from across the globe are exploring partnerships with India, whether in co-production, distribution or talent exchange for India. It marks a shift from being just a film producing country to positioning itself as a global content powerhouse. It's about taking Indian cinema and the entire creative economy onto the world center stage. Stories from real India are making their presence felt here at Busan International Film Festival.